Hi, my name is Jefferson Mautang from batch 2020, class 3B IBA, and I would like to explain about the total quality management tools and 7 total quality management tools. So we go start it right away. So the first one is the definitions. Total quality management is a tools that help organizations to identify, analyze, and assess qualitative and quantitative data that is relevant to their business. These tools can identify procedures, ideas, statistics, cost and effect concerns, and other issues relevant to their organizations. These tools is divided into 3 main parts, which is the tools for generating ideas that consist of check sheet, scatter diagram, and cause and effect diagram. And the second one is tools to organize the data that consists of Pareto chart and flow chart or process diagram. And the third one is tools for identifying problems such as histogram and statistical process control chart. The TQM tools illustrate and aid in the assimilations of complicated informations such as positive and negative forces affecting business, competition analysis and logistic analysis, statement of purpose and brainstorming. Also consists of identification of your target audience, assessment of customer needs, and market analysis and financial analysis, productivity changes, staff duties and workflow analysis, business structure and model creation. Now we come to the 7 tools. The first one is check sheet. Check sheet is a tool that is often used in the manufacturing industry for data retrieval in the production process, which is then proceed into the useful information and results in decision making. Or in other hand, it's called the organized method of recording data. The second one is scatter diagram. Scatter diagram is a tool that serves to test how strong the relationship between two variables and determine the type of relationship. The relationship can be a positive relationship, a negative relationship, or no relationship at all. The shape of the scatter diagram is a graphical representation consisting of a set of points from a value of a pair of variables, or a graph of a value of one variable versus other variable. Okay, next is the cause and effect diagram. Cause and effect diagram in quality control tool that is used to identify and show the relationship between the cause and effect in order to find the root cause of a problem. Cause and effect diagrams are used to show the causal factors and quality effects caused by these causal factors because they are shaped like fish bones. Or on the other hand, this is a tool that identifies process elements that might affect an outcome. Next one is Pareto chart. Pareto chart is a bar graph that shows problems in order of number of occurrences. The order starts from the number of problems that occur the most to the problems with the least frequency of occurrence. In the graph shown by the highest bar graph far from the left to the lowest graph that far from the right. Or in other hand, we can call it the graph that identify and plot problems or defects in descending order of frequency. Okay, next one is flowchart. Flowchart is an assist in the definitions and analysis of each step in a process by illustrating it in a clear and comprehensive manner. Identify areas that workflow may be a block or diverted and where workflow is fluid. Identify where steps needs to be added or removed to improve efficiency and create standardized workflow. Or these tools can describe the steps in a process. Next is histogram. Histogram is a graphical display to show the distribution of data visually or how often a different value occurs in the data set. The benefits of using histograms are to provide information about variations in the process and assess management in making decisions in the effort to continuously improve processes or continuous processes improvement. Or in other hand, we can call it a distribution showing the frequency of occurrence of a variable. The last one is statistical process control chart. The control chart is a graph used to study how a process changes over time. Data are plotted in time order. The control chart always has a central line for the average, an upper line for the upper control limit, and the lower line for the lower control limit. Or this chart with the time on the horizontal axis to plot values of a statistic. That is all for me to explain about the total quality control and total quality management. Thank you.